to my channel. Today I have my Stitch Fix box. So I have filmed 2 boxes in one day pretty much. I had a Trend Sun box that came the same day as my Stitch Fix. Because it's my birthday month and I ordered my boxes pretty much simultaneously, it would seem. But if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, how it works is Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. You fill out a profile, and the first time you get matched with the stylist, and they send you a style preview, and in that style preview you can pick up to 5 items to be styled with. You could pick 5, you could pick 1, you could pick 0. If you pick 5, they'll send them to you. If you pick under 5, let's say 2, 3, or 4, they'll add new items in, and then your fix will get shipped. If you pick 0, I think, and I've never done this, to be honest, I've always at least picked 1 item, but I think do they send you a new preview? My viewers, let me know, has that ever happened to you? Because I've never done that before, to be honest. I've always picked at least something. But whatever is picked, whatever is chosen, it gets sent to you. And once you get styled, you normally get charged a style fee. But if you use my link in the comments and are a new subscriber to Stitch Fix, you get that style fee waived and you get $50 to shop in your first fix. And I also get $50 to shop with. That said, I have a $49 credit right now because my Style Pass was renewed. I've had the Style Pass for a couple of years, so I don't pay a styling fee, and I still don't for the next year. All that said, in the fix, which got delivered FedEx, any returns, there is a mailer envelope, will go back through the post office. But in the fix came an envelope, and in the envelope there is a oh hello, and on that oh hello card are all the items in the fix with a note from my stylist. I still have Jaryn. She writes, "Hi Janine, happy fix day. How was Disney? I hope you and your family had a magical time. We are surprising my kiddos with a Christmas trip this year, so I could use some tips and tricks. I love that you get to ring in your birthday and welcome the fun summer months at the same time. You deserve to stand out on your special day, and the fun Peplum style from GILLI is perfect for a night out on the town. Are you a fan of the bow detail? Since you are up for trendy styles, I knew you had to have the cargo style of the denim shorts too. Add the layered necklace for a fun pop of color. You're probably still recovering from your MDW vacation, but you'll have to let me know if you have any other trips planned this summer. I'm always excited when I get to help fill your sunny weather suitcase. XO Jaryn." Jaryn, Disney was awesome as usual. And if you have a trip planned, let me know what tips or tricks you'd like, because I can definitely help with that, because I am now a licensed Disney travel agent. So anything you need, feel free to ask. I am happy to help. And if there's anything that you didn't book and you need help booking, let me know. I can do that as well. Plus, I have 2 more trips planned to Disney as of this moment, 1 in August and 1 in November. So Disney is always on my mind and never far away. But that said, that's the card. That's the stylist note. I put the envelope to the side. The other item is "Thanks for letting us style you." And this gives everything in the fix, which is fix 81 for me, with the items and the pricing. So we're not going to look at that just yet. That was a mouthful. But I do have the first outfit on, and I'm loving the first outfit. So I want to share this. So we're going to get right at it. And by the way, I'm still wearing the Trend Sun necklace. I don't know, I'm just loving this necklace. I think it goes beautifully with the gold in this dress. But let's get to talking about this dress. So hang on. Okay, let's talk about the dress. So I'm gonna get my style paperwork, and I have cards that run before each of the outfits, and I know sometimes it seems to cut the pricing off. So pricing will always be in the comments, and when I tell you what I'm wearing, I'll also tell you pricing. So hang on for that. This is by Mason & Belle. This is the Josie Maxi dress. It is $59. It is in the color yellow and it is a size extra small. I love this dress. So I had a dress in my Trends Done box and now I have another dress in this box and I'm liking both dresses. So spoiler alert, I think I'm keeping both of them. But anyways, this dress, come a little closer and because I'm short, but it is like a, sorry, I feel like it's like a floral print, but it's like white and like a yellow gold color. Has this little bow here, spaghetti strap, so I am still wearing my strapless bra, but it has like ruching here right under the bust line. It's long, it's a maxi dress, it's floor length, but it has a slit here. Again, still wearing my Birkenstocks because I love these shoes. I have multiple styles, but these are the ones I gravitate towards, my braided. So, I don't know, I really like this dress. Front of it, back. Yeah, this dress is really pretty. I don't know, I'm really liking it. I have two items I want to discuss, so just hang on a second. So I'm back, and when I read that note, I read about a Peplum top. So I have my glasses on so I can tell you a little bit about this top. I am not trying it on, and I'm going to tell you why in a second. This is by GILLI. I'm looking at the card to the side. This is the Magdalena Peplum blouse. And it is $49. It is not the cheapest item. The necklace that I'll discuss after this is the cheapest. Nothing is over $100 in this fix, by the way. This is actually a pretty reasonably priced fix. So it has for each arm, and I'm backwards, but it's got these like little spaghetti straps and they're just tied. It's really cute. The issue with this top, and I tried it on, let me put it in front of me. The issue is it fits, but it was like almost Jaws of Life to get it off the first time I tried it on. I'm not gonna lie, I did a try on previous just for myself to see the items when I first got the box. And I had such trouble getting it. It has elastic here, but I couldn't get it on and off. And yeah, I did not want to attempt that again. So I am not trying this on for you. If you are interested in a Peplum style top, this is really cute. It just, like I said, I couldn't get it on and off after I tried it on. So it's going back. It's just not working for me. The next item, sorry, I'm going back and forth with my glasses, but I am of reading glass age. This is by PANACEA, and I'm looking to the side of me, I'm sorry. And a layered necklace. So it's in gold and it is $35. The reason I'm not wearing it is I don't think I'm keeping it. So I don't want to mess it up for the next person, to be honest with you. So let's take it out of the packaging. It is really cute, but I think it's just too much color for me. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can maybe, hang on. Let's see if we can put this behind it so you can see the colors. Yeah, maybe that'll help. It's like rainbow colors and then like a gold, just a gold necklace, like gold strand with it. It's cute. It's only $35. Just, I don't know. I'm like on the fence on this one. Maybe I should have tried, but I don't want to try. It has the tags hanging, so I don't even know how I manage that, but just maybe you can see it like that. But yeah, it's cute, but I don't know if I love that. I'm thinking no to that. So anyways, cute, but I wanted you to see it. what do I have left? Oh, I have a jumpsuit and I have shorts. So I'm gonna switch and show you both of those. So hang on. Okay, I'm back and I have the jumpsuit on that I mentioned earlier. Reading glasses are going back on. And I know I've been looking to the side because I can, and I had the paper laying here, but this is by Z Supply. This is the Indy knit jumpsuit. And this jumpsuit is $79. It is the most expensive item in the fix. The next item that I'll be trying on, a pair of denim shorts, is $1 less at $78, but nothing is above $79 in this fix. So, that said, this is a very cute jumpsuit. It has like a little cap sleeve. I don't know if you can see the material, but the material is almost like a gauzy material. It has like elastic here in the waistline. Still wearing the strapless bra. I didn't switch that out just for the sake of the try on. I could wear a regular bra with this. It is bra friendly. It has pockets here. If I move back, it has elastic down at the foot. Again, the Birks are still on. I just left them on for this try on, the ease of this try on. And then here's the back of it. This is really cute. You know, comfortable and cute and could work on so many levels to just go out. Yeah, I could see this actually working. I don't know. I'm gonna debate it. I'm gonna look back at the footage and stuff, but not a bad option. Very comfortable for like an evening out. Again, lightweight, nothing crazy, but yeah, it's cute. Now, I have one pair of shorts left for this try on. So, hang on. Okay, as promised, I'm back. And I have the last item on, and it's just a pair of shorts. This is my t-shirt. And I think my puppy dog just decided to show up. Brookie. But yes, I have a t-shirt from, I think this might have been Anthropologie that I got this. It was either Ever Eve or Anthropologie, but this is my own t-shirt. But the shorts, these are by Days Denim. And these are the Knockout High-Rise A-Line Cargo Short. And as I mentioned earlier, these are $78. So, let me back up and show you the shorts. They are very cute. So they have the cargo pockets here. They have like a smaller pocket here. Just zip up and a button. Pockets in the back. And yeah, and they're like a little bit frayed at the bottom, so they're real cute. I don't know. I don't know if I need another pair of denim shorts, but I do like them. Now, that said, a very quick wrap up with Stitch Fix and how it works. If you buy all 5 items in your fix, you get 25% off of your fix. So if I were to buy all the items right now, all of this stylist pick subtotal is $300, but the buy all discount of 25% off, buying all 5, is $75. $225 is the total, but I have another $49 off for that style promotion fee that I said I get the style pass. So the order subtotal for all of the items in this fix right now is $176. So if I were to keep all 5, which already you know I'm not, because I said the Peplum blouse did not work for me, which is kind of sad because like I said, if it all worked, that's not a bad price for a dress, shorts, jumpsuit, a romper. Yeah, that's a very good price point that I'm at. I have not been at this good of a price point, and I don't know how long, but great price point. My thoughts though right now, I really like the dress, and I thought I kind of like the jumpsuit, and oh, I do like the shorts. So I like 3 of the 5. I guess I'm gonna have to really look at the Stitch Fix math, because yeah, I'll have to see how this plays out. But You've seen all the items in the fix. I'm gonna look back at the try on myself and see my thoughts, but let me know your thoughts. And for all of my returning subscribers, again, thank you so much for all of your friendship and your support. It means the world to me. If you are not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I want to say have a magical day and bye for now.